Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. The Indian Space Research Organization, or ISRO, is like a shining star of science. Founded in 1969, ISRO has grown from a small team of dedicated scientists to a globally recognized space agency. Its journey is a testament to India's commitment to pushing the boundaries of space exploration and technology. It's always trying new things in space. From launching satellites that provide critical data for weather forecasting and disaster management to developing cutting-edge technology for space exploration, ISRO's innovative spirit is evident in every mission. ISRO has done amazing things, like the Mars Orbiter mission and the Chandrayaan missions. The Mars Orbiter mission, also known as Mangalyaan, made India the first country to reach Mars orbit on its first attempt. Chandrayaan 2, although it faced challenges, demonstrated India's growing capabilities in lunar exploration. These missions have shown everyone how good India is at space technology. They have not only advanced scientific knowledge, but also inspired a new generation of scientists and engineers. The success of these missions has placed India among the elite group of spacefaring nations. Now, ISRO is getting ready for the SpaDeX mission. SpaDeX, or Space Docking Experiment, aims to develop and demonstrate the technology required for docking two spacecraft in orbit. This mission is crucial for future space endeavors, including space station operations and deep space exploration. This is a brand new part of India's space journey. The SpaDeX mission represents a significant step forward in India's space capabilities, showcasing the country's ability to undertake complex and ambitious projects. SpaDeX shows how much India wants to improve space technology. By mastering the art of space docking, ISRO is paving the way for more advanced missions, including potential collaborations with other space agencies and private space companies. It will make India even more important in the world of space. As ISRO continues to innovate and achieve new milestones, it strengthens India's position as a key player in the global space community. This mission will undoubtedly enhance India's reputation and influence in international space affairs. Scientists and space fans all over the world are excited about this mission. The anticipation surrounding SpaDeX is palpable, with experts and enthusiasts eagerly awaiting its outcomes. This mission has the potential to inspire future generations and foster a greater interest in space science and technology. Everyone thinks it will be a really cool example of engineering and new ideas. The innovative techniques and technologies being developed for SpaDeX are expected to set new standards in space engineering. This mission is a testament to the creativity and ingenuity of ISRO's scientists and engineers. ISRO keeps inspiring people with its love for space. Through its various missions and outreach programs, ISRO continues to ignite the imagination of people, especially the youth. By sharing its passion for space, ISRO is nurturing the next generation of space explorers and innovators.
Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. SpaDeX stands for Space Docking Experiment. This mission is a groundbreaking initiative by the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, aimed at revolutionizing how we approach space travel and exploration. The SpaDeX mission is not just another space mission. It represents a significant leap forward in our ability to operate in space. It's a very new and important mission. The scientists and engineers at ISRO have been working tirelessly to ensure the success of this mission. They have spent countless hours in mission control, meticulously planning and monitoring every aspect of the mission to ensure everything goes smoothly. This mission will show how spacecraft can connect in space all by themselves. The ability for spacecraft to autonomously dock with one another is a critical technology that will pave the way for more complex space operations in the future. This includes the construction of space habitats, refueling stations, and even the assembly of large spacecraft in orbit. This technology is super important for future space trips. Imagine a future where spacecraft can travel to distant planets and moons, docking with pre-positioned supply depots or other spacecraft to refuel and resupply. This would make long-duration space missions more feasible and sustainable. Automatic space docking lets spacecraft connect without any help from people. This reduces the risk of human error and increases the efficiency and safety of space operations. The use of robotic arms and other automated systems ensures precise and reliable docking maneuvers. We need this to build space stations. The construction of space stations and other large structures in space will rely heavily on autonomous docking technology. This will allow for the assembly of complex structures in orbit, providing a platform for scientific research, manufacturing, and even tourism. It's also really important for difficult space missions. Missions to distant planets, moons, and asteroids. will require spacecraft to dock with one another to transfer supplies, equipment, and even crew members. This capability will be essential for the success of these challenging missions. The SpaDeX mission wants to show what India can do. By successfully demonstrating autonomous docking technology, ISRO aims to showcase India's growing capabilities in space technology and its commitment to advancing space exploration. This mission is a testament to the hard work and dedication of the Indian space scientists and engineers. It will test how well the automatic docking system works. The mission will involve rigorous testing of the docking systems in both simulated and real space environments. This will help identify any potential issues and ensure the technology is reliable and ready for future missions. This mission is a first step for bigger space projects. The success of SpaDeX will lay the groundwork for more ambitious space projects, including the construction of space habitats, lunar bases, and even missions to Mars and beyond. These projects include sending people to space and exploring deep space. The ultimate goal is to enable human exploration and settlement of other planets, opening up new frontiers for humanity. The SpaDeX mission is a crucial step towards making this vision a reality.
Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. The SpaDeX mission has a few main parts. The PSLV C-60 is the rocket. It will carry two smaller spacecraft. These are called Chaser, SDX-01, and Target, SDX-02. The PSLV C-60 will put these spacecraft into orbit. The orbit is a circle 470 kilometers high. The angle of the orbit is 55 degrees. The Chaser and Target spacecraft have advanced technology. They have sensors, docking tools, and computer programs. The computer programs were made in India. This shows that India can build its own space technology. These parts are very important for the docking experiment to work.
Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Once in orbit, the Chaser and Target spacecraft will separate. This initial separation is a critical step in the mission, setting the stage for the intricate dance that will follow. The Chaser spacecraft, equipped with advanced navigation systems, will begin to chart its course towards the target. At first, they will be 10 to 20 kilometers apart. This distance is carefully calculated to ensure safety while allowing the Chaser to perform necessary maneuvers. The vast expanse of space between them is both a challenge and an opportunity for precise navigation. They will be moving at slightly different speeds. These speed variations are due to their unique orbits and the gravitational forces acting upon them. The Chaser must adjust its velocity to match the target's speed, a task that requires precise calculations and real-time adjustments. Small engines will be used to guide the spacecraft. These thrusters provide the fine control needed to make minute adjustments in trajectory and speed. Each burst of the thrusters is a step closer to the target, a testament to the precision engineering behind the mission. The goal is to get them into the same orbit. Achieving orbital alignment is crucial for the docking process. The Chaser must synchronize its path with the target, ensuring they are on a converging course. This phase requires constant monitoring and adjustments to maintain the correct trajectory. This part is called phare rendezvous. During this phase, the Chaser closes the distance to a few kilometers. It's a delicate operation, balancing speed and direction to ensure a smooth approach. The phare rendezvous sets the stage for the final, more precise maneuvers. Docking is the most important part. This critical procedure requires the Chaser to approach the target with extreme precision. Any miscalculation could jeopardize the mission. The docking process is a culmination of all the previous steps, requiring flawless execution. The Chaser will use its sensors to get close to the target. These sensors include radar, LiDAR, and optical cameras, providing real-time data to guide the Chaser. The information gathered is crucial for making the final approach, ensuring the Chaser can dock safely and accurately. It will do this all by itself. The Chaser's autonomous systems are designed to handle the complexities of space navigation without human intervention. This autonomy is essential for missions where real-time control from Earth is not feasible due to communication delays. When the Chaser is close enough, the docking tools will connect. These tools are engineered to ensure a secure and stable connection between the two spacecraft. The docking mechanism must align perfectly, locking the Chaser and target together in a precise and unyielding embrace. This will create a strong link between the two spacecraft. The connection must withstand the harsh conditions of space, including temperature extremes and microgravity. A successful docking forms a robust bridge, allowing the two spacecraft to function as a single unit. The mission will also show how electricity can be shared between the connected spacecraft. This capability is vital for long-duration missions, enabling resource sharing and enhancing mission flexibility. The transfer of power is a critical test of the docking system's functionality. Finally, the spacecraft will separate again. The undocking process is as delicate as the docking, requiring precise maneuvers to ensure both spacecraft can continue their missions independently. This phase tests the reversibility of the docking process, ensuring it can be performed safely and reliably. This will allow them to do their other jobs. Each spacecraft has its own mission objectives, and successful undocking allows them to pursue these goals. The ability to dock and undock efficiently is a cornerstone of modern space exploration, enabling complex missions and collaborations in the vast expanse of space.
Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Section 5, Poem, Transforming Space Debris into Opportunity. The SpaDeX mission also has the PSLV Orbital Experimental Module, or POEM. This is a new kind of platform. It uses the fourth stage of the PSLV rocket. Normally this stage would become space junk, but POEM uses it for something good. It turns the fourth stage into a space station. This station can be used for science experiments. This helps reduce space junk. It also provides a cheap way to do experiments in space. POEM has a navigation guidance and control system. This system is important for keeping the station stable.
Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Section 6. Space Docking, a historical perspective. Connecting spacecraft in space isn't new. The first time it happened was in 1967. The Soviet Union did it. They connected the spacecraft Cosmos 186 and Cosmos 188. Since then, space docking has become normal. It's used for lots of space missions. With SpaDeX, India joins a special group of countries. These countries know how to do space docking. This shows how advanced India's technology is. It also shows how much India cares about space exploration.
Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Section 7. Shaping the Future of Space Exploration. Automatic space docking is really important for the future of space exploration. It's a very important technology for big projects. These include missions to the moon and building the Bharatiya Antariksh Station, or BAS. This technology is also important for advanced space work. In the future, we can use it for refueling satellites, building space stations, and sending people to space. This technology will be a big part of missions like Gaganyaan. Gaganyaan is India's program to send people to space. It will also be important for future missions like Chandrayaan 4. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Section 8. Voices from ISRO, Perspectives on SpaDeX. ISRO scientists and space experts have shared their thoughts about the SpaDeX mission. They say it's very important. They think that learning how to do space docking is crucial for India's space program. It's important for the program to continue and get better. They believe that if the mission is successful, it will help India do even bigger and more difficult projects. This will make sure India stays a leader in space exploration. What they say shows how dedicated and skilled the people at ISRO are.
Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Section 9, SpaDeX, launching India into a new era of space leadership. The SpaDeX mission is a big step forward for ISRO. It also helps India's dreams for space. By showing how to do automatic space docking, ISRO isn't just improving its own technology, it's also helping everyone exploring space. If the mission is successful, it will be a big deal. It will change future space projects. It will make India an important part of the next era of space exploration. SpaDeX shows India's love for science and how much it wants to be the best. Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia.